I got you on tape saying that.
Where you going? Like 7 hours.
All right. Wow, that hit right there. That hit right there. I just got it on camera.
I have never heard that so loud.
Whoa, dude. What do you think about that? Dude, that hurt right there. I got it. Woo!
Hey, Jimmy, come here. Come around here.
Is it on fire?
Look at the tree. That's
Yeah.
awesome. Somewhere right in here.
It was right here. I thought it was this one right here.
Like fire right here.
Yeah.
People live there getting hit by
Oh my goodness. I got to get that. I got that on camera.
Is there fire?
Woo!
That was awesome.
Woo! What? You should have heard Steve. Steve said coming down here, Tatum was talking about lightning bolts, and Michael was worried, and he goes, "You got the power of Jesus inside of you. Jesus doesn't want to kill himself." It's like, you're fine.
The fire of God.
Woo!